Welcome to Downeast Dirtworks. We're located in Cherryfield, Maine, and we serve both Washington County and Hancock County, including MDI. With over 25 years of construction, precision excavating, and project management experience, we can help you get the job done from start to finish and answer all your questions along the way. Our services include land clearing, driveway installations, septic installations, utilities trenching for electric, water, sewer. And we can also help you prepare whatever type of foundation you have planned, whether it's a slab, a frost wall, or a full basement, or even if it's just a gravel pad. As owner-operators and being married for 30 years, we pride ourselves on excellent communication between one another to get the job done and with our clients. Every job, every customer is meaningful. We're also DEP certified to work on shoreland and environmentally sensitive properties. So whether it's modular, mobile, or stick-built, whether it's a camp or a shed or a weekend getaway, don't forget about us here at DowneastDirtworks.com and be sure to follow us on Instagram at Downeast Dirtworks. Good luck with your project, and we hope to hear from you soon.